What is up, YouTube? Dave with Kickfam back with another video for you film players, and we're down Atlantic City still, and I'm with the fam. As you can see, we're gonna go head out and grab something to eat and walk the boardwalk for a little bit, and we're gonna take you with us. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you like what we're putting out, hit that thumbs up, drop comments down below. Let's go, let's have some fun. Slow down before you fall, goofball. What level we on, boo-boo, for parking? Give me a dirt. Why you give me a dirty look, punk punk?
Because it's good. We're running out of time. What, the steps? Because I said 6. And what?
It's a boardwalk right there, boo-boo. It's not gonna be like a Wildwood boardwalk, baby.
Put the sweater on.
It's just it's our kind of. It's like, it's not a Wildwood boardwalk, baby.
They was little as hell.
We were just here like right before COVID.
She was little though. She was like wearing her feety pajamas after the shower. 6 or 7.
I don't remember that. See? Boardwalk. Boardwalk. Smell it? I smell it. We're up on the boardwalk. Let's find a place to eat. We'll see you there. So, comment down below if you think Mom Dukes is gonna wake up early tomorrow and go work out at the hotel gym.
No.
Never works out a day in her life. Comment down below if you think so. We're definitely gonna see this, because I know she's not gonna work out. Never work out. But anyway, we're gonna try and get up in here, see if this place is, see if we can get some food. Bam! Rainforest Cafe. We're about to go in here. We'll bring you along with us. See it, boo-boo? Cool, huh? Look at this fish tank. Where's the fishies at? No fishes. So we're at the Rainforest Cafe. I can't have the camera on here because we're definitely gonna get copywritten. They're playing music in the background, but look at this place. It's pretty cool. Look at the food. The food looks good. I should have got it before we ate it, but we were hungry. But the food's good here. So where we ate, Rainforest Cafe has a little toy store too, and of course, you know, our little punk and her 2 older sisters are spoiled, so they're getting something, I guess. Just get something? Come on, girls. They want to leave.
Can I get rocks?
Punk, come on. She's getting ready. She got to leave. You're getting that? Thank you. Oh, yeah. You got all the fish. What you want to do with a butterfly? You don't even clean your own fake fish tanks. I do. What's that? Oh, grow toucan? Just add water and it grows? That's cool. You getting that? Okay.
You're not getting crystals?
No, she's getting that. She's good. Come on.
Look, Daddy.
Oh yeah, Squishyville. Well, don't forget we're going shopping tomorrow morning, so don't be. We're not spending a bunch of money here. So we just got done eating at Rainforest Cafe. Boom.
I would have got it for any.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Peyton, did you enjoy dinner? Did you like dinner?
Yeah. You can walk for a minute before I'm done.
Daddy, can you grab that one?
Give me them, I got them.
No, I got one.
What one do you want me to hold?
Glass, that one.
This one?
Yeah, because that's glass.
All right.
What
I said, hold it for a second. Like my cigarette.